Morning guys! Sabihin daw po ni Gia po yung mga even numbers at saka odd numbers. Okay, start tayo sa even numbers. Even numbers, Gia, what are the even numbers? Sabihin mo na.
2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 18, 20!
Oh,
Oh!
odd numbers, what are the odd numbers?
1,
Dito.
3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 19,
Bakit 19 na?
15, 17, 19.
Yeah, galing.
Hi guys!
Hey, guys na. Wala na? Wala ko nang alam na yung odd numbers. Wala na? Ay, wala na daw
Hi
guys.
guys!
Bye guys. Bye guys ka na. Makulit siya guys eh.
Bye
Oh.
guys!
Bye guys.